Hey, Mojo here. Okay, today talking about Colorado. All right, Colorado is one of those states that I talk about often because you know there's a certain type of state, certain boat that some states are in that I tend to talk about, which is states that are looking to go from good on gun rights, to bad, or from bad to worse. Those are the states I personally tend to focus on. Colorado is one of those states. Okay, today I'm just going to be giving talking about a few bills, give a little bit of an update here on the gun control situation out of Colorado. Okay, so I'm going to talk about two bills first. We got a Senate Bill 168, which is basically liability for FFLs and manufacturers. This would allow individuals to sue like FFLs if they were to sell a firearm that was used in crime, which is extremely terrible, extremely dangerous. Um, Obviously, this goes against the PLCAA, Protection of Lawful Commerce in Arms Act. I've talked about that before. Um, no good. This would lead to FFLs being many of them being sued out of business. Okay, like particularly smaller FFLs too, which is unfortunate because these are mom and pop type of establishments that are going to be affected most by this bill. So that's not good there. The other one is going to be Senate Bill 170, which is a red flag bill. Okay, as far as I know, Colorado already has red flag laws. So I guess this bill is maybe looking to expand those laws, which, as we know, red flag laws are terrible, unconstitutional, all that, no good. Okay, so those are the two bills there. Unfortunately, these bills have already passed the state Senate. They've already made it through multiple committees and whatnot in the House. These bills are very close to passing in the Colorado State House. Okay, at that point they would go to the governor, where they would most likely be signed. So not a good situation as far as these two bills go. I don't know if there's any time left to stop these bills or not. I would say certainly try. Point is, be aware of it, keep it in mind, okay? Now, I'm going to talk about another bill real quick, okay? That's going to be House Bill 1230, which is Colorado's so called assault weapon ban bill. As we know, in the Second Amendment community, it's a semi-automatic rifle ban, which is terrible, unconstitutional, no good. With that bill, that's been introduced, and that's about it. It hasn't made it through either chamber yet. So you got plenty of time on this bill to oppose the bill, stand against the bill, make your voice heard, do what you need to do in regards to this bill. You got plenty of time in this case to do all that. The other bills, not so much, unfortunately. So, that's all I really want to talk about. I just wanted to give, update on a few bills out of Colorado. Unfortunately, Colorado's definitely trying to do a lot of gun control these days. But, unfortunate. The best thing we can do, though, is be aware of it, keep it in mind, do what we can do, right? If you live in Colorado, I hope you paid attention. Keep all this in mind, right? That's the point. Anyway, that's all I really want to say on this. So if you have anything to add to this or in general, let me know in the comments by all means. Other than that, I'm gonna get out of here. Goodbye.